everyone, I'm Jessica from UPDF, and today we're going to dive into how to organize your PDFs without it being a total headache. With UPDF, you can add new pages, pull out the ones that you need, rearrange things for better flow, add page labels, resize, rotate, or delete pages, all with the click of a button. If you still don't have UPDF on your device, go to the link in the description box below so you can download it and follow along for yourself. Let's start with inserting pages. After opening your PDF file in UPDF, click the Tools button and select Insert under the Organize Pages section. A new window will open. Click the Insert button in the top menu and UPDF gives you 5 different ways to do it, depending on what you need. You can choose from File. That's great when you want to insert the pages from another PDF to your PDF. You can click on From Image if you want to insert the image as a PDF page. Blank Page should be selected when you want to insert one blank page into the PDF. From Clipboard works when you've copied content from somewhere else and want to insert it as one page. And then there's Interleaving Insertion that lets you insert the pages as odd pages or even pages into the PDF. Here's a quick tip. Just move your mouse to the spot where you want to insert a page. You'll see a little plus icon pop up. Click that and choose what you want to insert. The second option is Extract Pages. This is handy when you only need certain pages out of a long PDF. Maybe you're sharing a few pages with your team, or you need to pull out a few pages to print. Start by clicking Select Pages at the top. You can manually choose the pages or click any option from the menu. Let's say we choose Odd Pages. UPDF will highlight and select all the odd pages. Once they're selected, hit Extract. A new window will pop up. Here you've got 3 options for the type of file you want. PDF, which gives you a new PDF file with the selected pages. Image, if you want each page saved as an image file. And Image PDF, which will convert all the PDF pages into an image-only PDF. And it cannot be editable without OCR. As you selected the pages in advance, you can see all the pages selected are in the page range. You can change it if you need here. There's also an option to extract pages as multiple files. This is great if you want each page saved separately. And if you want to remove those pages from the original file after extracting, just check the box that says Delete Pages after extracting. Once you're set, click Extract and you're done. Now, let's talk about replacing pages. Let's say you've updated a page or fixed a mistake. There is no need to redo the whole file. All you have to do is swap out the old page for the new one. Click Select Pages. Pick the page or pages you want to replace. Once they're selected, click Replace in the top menu. Now click Select Files and choose the file that has the updated page. Select the page range and click Replace. A new PDF will pull that in and drop it right where the old one was. And that's it. Your new page is in and the old one is gone. The fourth tool is Split PDF using the Organize Pages section. If your file is too long or you want to break it up into smaller chunks, this tool makes it really easy to do that. UPDF gives you 4 ways to split up your file. Let's go through them. You can split by number of pages. Say you want a new file every 5 pages. Just set the number and click Split. It'll handle the rest. You can also split by size. Just choose the file size limit and UPDF will slice it up to match. If your PDF is organized with top-level bookmarks like chapters or main sections, you can split based on those too. Or you can go with custom. Just click the scissor icon in the pages from which you want to split the file, and UPDF will split it in multiple documents. Then click on the top option. The document will be successfully split into X amount of documents, and UPDF will help split based on your needs. Now let's check out adding page labels. This is helpful if you want to rename the way that your pages are numbered. This is especially useful if your document has a cover page, table of contents, or different sections that need numbering. Instead of simple numbering from start to finish, you can label them however you want. Click on More in the top menu, then choose Page Labels. You'll see format options to select the label style, like numerical, Roman numerals, or even letters. You can also choose where the numbering starts and which pages it applies to. Once you've set it, hit Apply and your labels are in. Now, let's have a look at how to change the page order. Sometimes pages just aren't in the right place. Maybe they got mixed up somehow, or you just want to rearrange them for better flow. UPDF gives you a few quick ways on how to fix that. Go to the top menu, click More, then choose Page Order. You'll see a few options. You can swap odd and even pages, which is useful if your file was scanned in the wrong order. You can reverse the whole thing, great for files that need to be read back to front, or go with Customize Exchange, where you pick two pages and switch their spots manually. Pick the option that works, hit Apply, and that's it. Your pages are now in the right place. Let's go over how to change the page size. This comes in handy when you want all of your pages to be the same size. Maybe you're getting your file ready for printing, or you're just tidying your document up. Go up to More in the top menu and then click Page Size. You'll see a window pop up with all your options. At the top, you can check the current size of your pages. Then pick the size you want from the list. You'll see presets like A4 or letter, but you can also type custom widths and heights if you need something different. Next, pick the orientation. Portrait if you want it vertical, landscape if you want it horizontal. At the bottom, choose the page range. You can set it for every page or just a few. When you're ready, click OK, and UPDF will update the sizes right away. In some cases, you might want to rotate the pages. You can first select the pages you want to turn. You can pick just one or grab a bunch at once. When you've got them selected, look up at the top menu. You'll see two rotate icons, one for turning left and the other for turning right. Just click the one you need and your pages will flip right away. If you only want to rotate a single page, just hover over it and you'll see a little rotate icon pop up right on the page. Click it and the page will flip. And that's it. Quick and simple. Okay, so next, let's talk about deleting pages. Got a few pages you don't need? Just select them all, then head up to the top and hit that little trash can icon. Boom, gone. Only need to delete one page? Hover over it. You'll see the trash can pop up right there. Click it and it's out. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of tips to make organizing even easier. Tip 1. Right-click on the page and a pop-up will appear. It's a fast way to access all the page tools. Insert, extract, rotate, delete. It's all there when you right-click on a page. Tip 2. Use the thumbnail panel on the left side. You can right-click pages there too and organize everything without leaving that view. And that's all for today. That's how you organize your PDFs using UPDF. The best part? You can do all of this on your phone too. UPDF has apps for Android or iOS, so you can organize your PDFs anytime or anywhere, whether you're at your desk or you're on the go. If you haven't tried it yet, click on the link in the description below so you can download UPDF and try it out for yourself. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like or leave a comment, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos in the future. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.